Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. Sorry, this video's coming late. I'm just doing it now. Just a lot of stuff I had to get done, and Christmas is around the corner. 20 more days. 20 more days until this shit show is over. If you guys don't know, I am not a Christmas person, and reason why is there's a lot of shit. There's no joy on doing the work for it. Then then basically when you're an adult and you have no kids to actually, just to have fun with it. But other than that, it's freaking spend like $170 to ship presents back home in California, and yeah, it's becoming a money drain right now. Everything's just been up in price. So anyhow, we're doing December Patreon STL 2023. This is the last Patreon of the month of the year. So there'll be multiple parts for it, and I'll be taking a short break for about a week or two. That'll be towards the New Year's. Then we'll be going right back at it, and just letting you guys know what we have right now. So right now we're doing Heroes Infinite. Very good one we're doing. These are going to be your proxies, Warhammer 40k. Oh, before that, subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. We look at D&D, Warhammer Proxy, Wargaming, figures, and so forth as well. If there's a Patreon that you guys like I did not cover, leave it down in the comments down below, and I'll go check it out. It might be in a future video. So we'll be watching the video for this because they don't really do the thing, and you know how YouTube is with copyright strike with music, and you see in the background of me just vaping as well. So we have our Christmas goblins from Warhammer, and we have our Sisters of Battle as well, and I think we have the Eldars as well. So you got Age of Sigmar and 40k style content for you. Heroes Infinite. This is all like $10 from Heroes Infinite, and it's pretty damn good. I'll tell you that right now. Or a Bright Banner. I know that Sister Battle have a an angel type stuff, I believe, as your warlord. I believe what they are, but I don't know. I don't have a Sisters of Battles yet, but I'll say these are a lot more sexier and a lot more prettier than the Warhammer Games Workshop makes. I'll tell you that right now. But yeah, Angel of Restitution. That looked like Mephisto, the one from the Blood Angels. That looks a hell of a lot better than the one that Game Workshop make. I may make that as my print that for my proxy. Who knows? We are still gonna have to finish the Warhammer 40k paintings. I just basically stopped because November I get a lot of stuff printed, a lot of stuff painted for Christmas. We're almost done to the finish line for it. These are the Moon Goblins, right, from 40k. And you have all the Christmas stuff and the moon. And this is your diorama centerpiece right here. Become an overlord. There's no Wingardium, Goblin Maniacs, your Squigs. Looks pretty damn good. I think everyone wants the Goblin and the Angel for this. And your Troll. Modular scenery. There's your fungus for your terrain pieces as well. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty damn looks good, doesn't it? Is there any more? Nope. Alright, we'll go next. Arch Villain Games. We have the fantasy and the sci-fi for it. You'll look at both of these. I think we're doing the sci-fi. I think the sci-fi one's gonna be more like Doom, the newer Doom for it, but this is the fantasy with the basilisk. This is the one that they had at the 50th anniversary PAX thing on the cover. I think it is a basilisk. It looks pretty damn good to have one shot for it. Your demon. We're gonna need a better one. No, why? Why did they do this shit? 108 photos. Holy fuck. There's your, looks like some kind of, a a polar bear folk, I guess, or a badger. That's a bear. So I make this into polar bear looking, war bear. I'll make a polar war bear for this if I was you guys. Try and make it in the ice area. They look pretty good, I would say. And this looks some kind of a knoll or a fox. Rewind secret. Fenware snout. Snow snout. Hmm. One. So basically like a fox or a wolf. You could tell me down in the comments below. I might get it all wrong. Sack. We have a shaman. I have no idea what the hell this is. Looks like half two beasts sewed into one. Like a centaur kind of thing. Yeah, I will never do Icewind Dale ever again. It's just fucking too. I'm trying to get a story, and I tried the Icewind Dale game, and no one really liked it as much. It's just too much hack and slash. A lot of my players like very in-depth story. They don't want to go and dig in for the story. They want the story right away. I think this is some kind of a. What the hell are these? They look cool and grotesque, but I'm like, what the hell are these? They look like penguins wearing the mask of their enemies. There's your There's your killer whale. Your whale folk. That'll be kind of fun to paint, I guess. I gotta make space for everything first, and that looks like a gremlin, an ugly looking gremlin. Holy shit! Well, at least you have some monsters and stuff, and some type of a druid spider, probably to deal with with a circle of spores. That's freaking big ass penguin right there with a big ass pole, wooden pole. A barbarian. Three-eyed barbarian. Jaguar. And now we're doing the sci-fi ones. Different heads. That looks pretty good. I don't mind doing some type of sci-fi campaign on mine thing. Three-headed demon. That's pretty cool. I'll paint just like us in Doom for it. I think this will be one of the best things you can do for these things. Man, this is going to take the whole fucking video just looking at all of this at Archvillain. Holy shit. But yeah, we're almost done. It looks pretty damn cool. I was you. There's different parts for it. That looks kind of cool too, with its back back wings and everything. I don't think we'll be able to fly, but it looks freaking cool. Now I just gotta print Dune and these creatures and just go all ape shit and everything else. I do like that little skeletons covering up his little junk. But yeah, let me guys want to know what you guys think as well. You guys do some kind of like a sci-fi game like what Pathfinder had? It was called Star something. I forgot it's called Star something for it. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share for part 1. We'll do part 2 next. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great week and have fun pack wrapping gifts. Bye.